In this video, I will show you how to export high quality videos in CapCut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Once you have finished editing your video, in the top right corner you'll see AI UHD. Select that and you'll have a drop down menu appear. You can then select the resolution of your video, 480p, 720p, 1080p and all the way up to 2K or 4K. You can also select the frame rate, 24 up to 60 frames, as well as bitrate from 5 to 100. You can also select Smart HDR, which converts your clip to an HDR video. Once you have chosen the settings that you would like to download your video in, simply hit export in the top right corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.